Today we're revisiting one of my favorite holiday recipes. Why serve the usual cheese and crackers at your next holiday party when you can take it up a notch with our delicious goat cheese, bacon, and pecan bites? Not only are these packed with flavors, they're easy to prepare, giving you more time for that holiday shopping. Let's get started. You'll need about 8 ounces of goat cheese, honey, half and half or milk, salt, pecans, bacon cooked and roughly chopped, and parsley. To get started, use a small pan to toast the pecans over medium-high heat until they become fragrant, which is usually about 5 minutes. Next, combine the pecans, bacon, and parsley in a pie plate. This will make rolling the goat cheese very simple. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and let's move on to my favorite part, the cheese. Combine the goat cheese, honey, half and half, and salt in a large bowl. Scoop out 1 to 2 inch balls and carefully roll them in the pecan and bacon mixture. Place them on the baking sheet and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving so they can be nice and set for your guests. These tasty bites go great with toasted baguette slices or artisan crackers. I know your friends and family will love the beauty and flavors of this appetizer as much as I do. Wishing you a happy holiday from Fresh Dish Foodie.